Hello everyone, my name is Manvir Sohal. Hope you all doing really great. And then here I'm first time doing the live video, and then I'm kind of really nervous, but hope you all bear with me. And so here I'm first time going the live video. The reason I'm going to the live, it's how we can use social media to make money. And then if you all are using, I think we all are using social media, and then but how we can make money with social media, that's really important thing. And then if you're interested and open to look how we can make money with social media, then you can should watch this video. It's really gonna be important video. And I also have my friend and my mentor, I would say, my leader, I would say. His name is Oliver Lupke, and I'm gonna invite with me with this live video. Then we can all describe how we can make money using all the social media apps, either it's a Facebook, Instagram, or other apps, how we can make more money using these apps. So I'm gonna invite him. Just give me a moment. Hi, Oliver.
Hi, Manvir. Good to see you.
Good to see you. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Thank you.
So you're connecting from Saskatoon. How's the weather over there?
It's really hot here
Oh,
today.
really? Okay, good.
26, I think so today. Yeah, it's kind of hot here.
Nice.
How
Summer
about you?
is here, so
Yes.
we can't wait. I'm looking forward to nice weather.
Oh, yeah. I'm excited about all the summer weather right now, but it's kind of really hot though, but it's kind of nice as well. Yeah. How
Good.
about here in Toronto?
Here is also nice. It's not as warm. We had some nice weather, nice days. Like 1 week was really, really nice, 25 degrees, similarly like you guys having now.
Uh-huh.
And then we had the weather cool down, and I think we're expecting a little bit of rain tomorrow, which is also nice, refreshing.
Oh, yeah.
So otherwise, I feel like summer is here, and
We
I'm ready for summer.
also need rain here. There's kind
Good.
of wildfires going on just near the cities as well, and then like that's the reason here's a smoky as well.
Oh, okay. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Good.
But all good.
Very good. Well, we're here to share some interesting information. We are here to
Yeah.
share how other people can make money using social media, like we are, like you are, like I am.
Mm-hmm.
So we're connecting online. We work online. Manvir is connecting from Saskatchewan, from Canada, and I'm also in Toronto, which is about, I don't know, probably like 3-4 hours by airplane. Pretty
Yeah.
far.
But
But I
I mean,
understand you're coming to Toronto as well this summer, so I'm looking
yes,
forward to meeting you in person.
yes, I'm
Yeah, that's going
excited.
to be nice. And another thing I would like to know, I know there will be probably a lot of people watching this video, so I would love to know where these other people are watching us from. So don't be shy, say hi, and comment. Feel free to comment and let us know where you're watching this video from, and whether this is interesting, whether you already work on social media, and whether you already make money using social media. Because what I realized is a lot of people are spending time on social media, but they're not making money with it. So I thought, hey, maybe we can help them out, share how we work, what we do, so these other people can also earn some extra income, because extra money is extra money.
Yes, totally. Who don't need extra money? I need.
Good. So, Manvir, I do have some questions for you. If you don't mind, I'm going to ask you some questions, and then it's interesting how we complement each other on this video. So, you have a
Yes.
red background, burgundy background. I have a burgundy T-shirt, and you have a great thing, and I have a great background,
Okay,
like we
yeah.
planned. But we didn't plan it, by the way. It just happened
No.
but
Yeah.
we complement each other that way. Okay, so my first question is, I understand you work with our company, you work on social media. So when did you register with our company? When did you start working with us?
So I just started a few months ago. I would say 2 months ago, and then so far I'm using social media and just using so how to use I'm just learning how to use social media and how to make money on it. Like, so I just started like few months ago. Just
Okay,
beginning
awesome.
this business too.
Um, Yeah, so for our viewers who don't know, maybe we work with a company and we work with products,
Yes.
and we kind of use social media to market, and so we're gonna share a little bit more about that. So stick around to the end because we're gonna have some really cool information about how we work. So when you started, what was the main reason that you started working with our company and social media and on social media?
I think first and foremost reason is extra income, extra money. Like I
Okay.
think we all need extra money, especially in this like these years after COVID. It really hits bad, and then we need extra income. And so one of the main reason was that like I have a job, and then I'm doing really good in my job, and then I start second job because I need more money. But then my all those freedom, and then I'm making money, but then there is no freedom. But
Mm,
that money just helped me with my household things, with my renting. Like in Canada, it's all expensive things these days, groceries. Then I start looking for something business.
mhm,
I need to make more money. Then I just meet you. Then I just met you and start business with that. So main reason was extra money. And then obviously there is freedom of time. In a job, then we have to 8 to 4 thing. We have to go every day, like every morning we have to get up and then just go to work. But then I also need freedom of time. So
mhm,
that was my second thing. And obviously there was also in this business especially, we also have really fantastic incentives which which we can use to travel. If we have, like, I have a lot of things in my bucket list to travel, and then I want to also achieve that thing to how I can make more money and then just travel everywhere I want to go. So that was my reason too.
mhm,
And I think in this business, we can connect more friends, like as I met you, as a friend, as a mentor. It's a really good thing how we can support our community with making, how we can use social media and making more money. So that was my kind of exciting reasons how I
mhm.
start the business, and like the thing which makes me more like have a best interest in the business thing. So yeah, and dreams. Like I have a lot of dreams, and then I think with a job I can't fulfill all those dreams.
Mhm.
And then so I'm looking for a business. Then I got this opportunity to start up. So these was my reasons, I would say, to start up the business,
Okay, very nice.
especially with online things. Yeah.
Very nice. Good for you. So young and so ambitious. In regards to traveling, so what are the few places on your list that where you would like to go?
All Europe
All,
countries.
all, all European countries?
Yeah, like I would like to go to one of the Dubai. I
Okay,
want to go kind of vacation over there too, and then
okay.
France, Italy. I just want to explore the
Good.
world.
Uh, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's interesting, but our company is very generous in that regard. So working with our company is for those who qualify, they have a chance to earn a trip twice a year, and company would give them two tickets and all expense paid trip to go. Usually some exotic destinations where they can go travel and enjoy. For example, we just went to Bali just about a month ago or so, and
Yeah.
it's not only a few people, but it's actually a few thousand people who came, and the company awarded them with this travel trip because we worked hard and we worked with our company, and so you will be able to. So work hard and work smart and keep working, and you will start qualifying. And so one of the next trips is a trip to India. So we're gonna go to Delhi, and then another trip is a cruise, a European cruise. So Venice, Dubrovnik in Croatia, and also Terst in Italy. So that's going to be fun. So those are the places where we're going to go next, and hopefully you're going to be able to qualify, and maybe some other people who will join your business and join us and
The
start
first one
learning,
is
start
looking. this video, they will join and come with us.
Exactly. Good. Okay, that's awesome. Great reasons to start. And now, for somebody new who is interested to start maybe working with us, like, do we provide training? Do you provide training? How we can help them learn maybe the skills that they need to get started or to work with us to, because just
Yeah,
being on social media and spending time is not enough. They need to know what to do in order to work with us and earn money.
I think that's really good question. Like we all have time sometime. We all want to do something, but we don't know how we can start up it. Like how we can make money. And sometimes we don't have opportunity to make that. And like this opportunity is really good. I think so. We all providing training on daily basis as well. We have kind of mini sessions on daily basis, but it's kind of optional, like in on the daily basis if you want to join that. But then we have the weekly basis where we can learn all about the company, all about how we can grow up in the business. And then we also have the product session trainings. So what's the tools of the business? All about that. We can just learn from there too. And then I think mostly we also have the one-to-one personal trainings. So if the person new joined to us, and then they can also have a personal training who you like whoever they're connecting with, so they can also join that things. And then there is a sports system, really big sports system. We have a team, and then we all working in a team as a teamwork. So I think so. It's really good. Like if we have trainings, definitely, and then I think the person who is interested, they can just join the trainings and learn how to grow the business there too.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So there training in place for those people who are interested, who are willing to learn, who are willing to work. They can plug into the training, attend the training, learn, and start making money. So how much does this free training cost?
No cost. There's no cost of this trainings and there's
No cost,
nothing.
no cost for free training, right?
Yes, it's totally. And like one thing I would say, like only have you need only internet. That's the main thing I would say. And I think in this in this era, everyone has internet. Everyone using their phone, so it doesn't really need any cost of money. This
Okay,
thing.
good, very
Yes.
good. So there's no cost for training. They would just register, and then they would go through certain steps and procedures. Try some products, use some products, and then take it from there.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now I see some people are commenting. Amandeep, hello everybody. So if you're watching, don't be shy. Say hi.
I am.
Feel free to comment. Now, the next question that I have is, can you tell us exactly how this all works?
Whole business, how it works. So I would say it's gonna take really long time to explain how this works because it's really kind of really things gonna take time. But however, if anyone, I would say if anyone is interested to know how this business is totally work, then we will find out the way. I will maybe connect with you, and then the person who is interested in watching this video, then I will totally explain because here I gotta take the forever. If I gotta explain here, it's gonna take forever how I can totally explain this business and details. But if the person, I would say, if anyone is interested to know how we do the business and how like what's the basic of the business, how we can start up, how we can join the business, then just comment under the video, and then maybe I will connect personally and
Okay.
I would say, yeah,
Yeah, that
yeah, that's the
is
thing.
true. Yeah, that is true. There's lots of details. I mean, they're not very hard. They're pretty simple, but there's lots of steps involved. So for anybody who is interested to learn more how we work using social media, how we build our business, how we work from home, then
Mhm.
simply either comment under this video or send a message directly to Manvir, and
I would love to help.
she will explain. We do have some other videos that explain the details as well, and
Yes.
then you can watch those videos and understand how it all works together, and you will have a chance to pretty much start working from home online. I mean, you probably have, obviously you have internet because you're watching this video, so you already have everything that you need So you really just need either just a phone or computer or one or the other. You don't need to have both, and internet connection, and be able to communicate, and then be, most importantly, be willing to learn and willing to work. And if you have access to social media, then you can utilize social media and start working with us and start making money. So that's what we wanted to share today. And that would be all from us. So Manvir, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And I would say, I just want to mention one thing. It's really good point. The person who is willing to do something, and then there's opportunity, then they just need to take a step into it. And then we just have to go with that, right?
Sure.
So we just have to willing with that thing. We have to do something in our life so we can do it. Right?
So, so
So
taking the action and actually do something about it.
yes,
Yeah, yeah,
that's really important part, right?
yeah. Good. Just thinking about it doesn't help, right? You need to actually take
Mhm.
action or
Take
so
action.
feel free, don't be shy, feel free to reach out and Manvir will help you and we'll help you all together to to get started and at least provide information and then you can decide for yourself if this is
Yes,
something for you.
yes, totally.
Manvir, thank you so much for your time. It's a pleasure speaking with you, and I look forward to connecting more. And also, if anybody else has some questions or if you
Mhm.
need some answers, I will be also
Yeah. Just
happy
maybe
to help.
comment under the video and send the private message. I will answer over there too.
Mm,
Yeah.
sounds good. All right.
Thank you
Thank you.
so
Have a
much,
great day, Manvir.
Arjun, for connecting. Thank
Yes.
you. Have a good weekend.
Yes.
Enjoy.
You too. Bye bye.